Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening your Imovie project and locating the picture clip in the timeline. This gets you straight into editing. Once selected, tap the crop button so you can access framing options. This is where the zoom originates. Make sure you see 3 options: Fit, Crop to Fill, and Ken Burns. Choose Fit to stop any automatic zooming. Selecting Fit preserves the full image without motion. Now set the clip duration so your change applies for the time you want. Once done with Fit, inspect the image visually in the preview to confirm there's no motion. If you need zoomed framing, use Crop to Fill instead of Ken Burns. Crop to Fill gives a static crop without panning. Make sure you don't add keyframes or apply the picture-in-picture or Ken Burns effects elsewhere, because those introduce movement. Also check clip size. Scale adjustments from external editors or imported projects can appear as zooms, so reset scale here to keep the image stable. Finalize by scrubbing the timeline and playing that segment to confirm the picture stays still. This step verifies your edits in context. If everything looks good, export a short test file to check the final render, since playback versus export can differ. If you still see zooming, make sure no compound clips or transitions are scaling the image. As a last resort, re-import the original photo and replace the clip. That resets hidden metadata and usually stops persistent zoom.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.